Hello, this is Alex from APC Dynamics, and in this video I'm going to talk about personalizing your Business Central screens to fit your need. We'll talk about how to configure a list type page and a cart type page. Afterwards, we'll talk about configuring profiles and how to assign those profiles to a specific user. To personalize a page, you will need to click on this gearbox on the upper right corner and click on Personalize. This will go into the personalization mode. Any field that you see can be hidden and any sections can be hidden. And the way to control it is this red triangle here. Let's say I want to hide the order date. You can click on this red triangle and click on hide. Same thing with the lines area. If you want to hide a particular column because you don't need it, you could click on this red triangle and hide it. And you can also move any of the fields around by dragging the columns. Let's say you want to add certain fields in there. You could click on this add field. These are the available fields that are hidden. If you want to add it to the screen, just click and drag onto the screen. Same thing with the lines area. Click on the lines area, and any field that you want to add to the screen, you're able to just click and drag onto the screen. These menus on the top can also be hidden and shown. The way to do that, same thing. Click on this red triangle and you're able to hide or move them around. Now going back to the list page, same exact thing. Anything you want to see or hide or move around, you're able to do so in the personalization. So let's say I want to move the location code here. I want to hide the assigned user ID and I want to add the country code on here. I'm able to do so. When you're done, click on done, and this will save all of the personalizations that you've done. And this will only be applicable for you. It will not affect anybody else in the organization. Now suppose you want to configure the screen so everybody in the same type of role can utilize the same screen that you personalize. You would do that in the profile and assigning that profile for the specific user. Let's take a look at how we do that. View all of the profiles that are available in Business Central. You would go to the profile roles page. This will give you all of the pre-configured roles that are in Business Central. To customize a profile, go and pick the profile that you want to configure. I'm going to customize the pages for all sales order process. This will bring up a new page under personalization mode. From here, you will need to go through every page and configure what you want the sales order processor to see or not see. So for example, if I go to the sales order, I will need to go through and hide the fields that they don't need to see and move around the fields so they can enter orders faster. When you're done personalizing this profile, click on done, and this will save the profile. To assign this profile to a user, you will need to go to the user settings. So I will need to click on a particular user and click on this three dots and choose which role center I want to apply. So if I select sales order processor, next time when this user logs in, they will have that particular profile with the personalization that you've made. And that's it. If you run into any issues, let us know.